What if you could make a perfect headland turn every time, all day long? With AutoTrac Turn Automation, you can. Our innovative solution automatically controls the entire headland turn, raising or lowering of linkages at exactly the right time and position in the field, for a perfectly consistent crop growth and health at headland. Turn Automation integrates John Deere AutoTrac automatic steering and headland management into 6R to 9R tractors, reducing input costs for seed, fertilizer and fuel. Turn Automation manages all tractor and implement functions with ease and precision. With the new intuitive Generation 4 displays interface, setup is easier than ever before, showing you which steps you've finished and which ones are left to set up. Easily change turn direction or the number of skips and preview upcoming turns. Even the most skilled operators benefit from this automation. A perfect headland turn every time. Get ahead with AutoTrac.